Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I got my helpers Hattie and Adeline here today helping me. Can you guys say hi?
Hi.
We are going to make a lemon blueberry crunch cake that's super low calorie and super high in protein, okay? So I got my Baker's Basic bulk mix. There's 3 cups in here. I've already got it measured out. So I'm just gonna dump it in here, okay? And then what we're gonna do, Hattie, Adeline, wanna help Mama?
Yeah.
3 cups of egg whites.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, Adeline's turn. Go ahead, cutie. Good job. And then we're gonna do 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt. I use plain non-fat Greek yogurt.
I'm gonna do this one, right, Mama?
If you can, if we can get it all the way out, you can do it, and then I'll put it. There you go. Dump this one, honey. Okay. There you go. And it came out, all of it, pretty much. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some extracts in here. Okay. This is lemon oil, so you use a lot less of it. If you're gonna do a lemon extract, then you might want to use about anywhere from a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon. You guys have to, do it to taste. I'd start small and then add to taste, okay? So this is 1/4 teaspoon because I'm using an actual oil. Now this other extract, blueberry extract, this specific extract that I sell is 3 to 4 times stronger than regular extracts. So instead of using about a tablespoon of this, I'm gonna use a teaspoon. And it's not necessary, but boy, oh boy, does that little bit of extract make it taste so heavenly. So I'm all about extracts. I'll do anything to make my mixes taste better and better and make them taste good, okay? And they're good even without it, but I just like variety. So we're gonna cook this now. We're gonna blend it now, and then we're gonna pour it and cook it. Hold on. I'm gonna spray this. This is the 11 by 17 pan.
I think it tastes like lemon blueberry stuff.
Oops, some of it didn't get mixed. That's okay. I'm mixing it while it's mixing. Whoops. It might have been better to mix it by hand. Whatever, guys. This is just such an easy way. You got your oven started at 350. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm making a lemon blueberry crunch, right? So what I like to do is I like to eat granola instead of nuts in most cases. The reason I encourage granola instead of nuts is because a 1/4 cup of granola is almost half the calories of nuts. Okay, so you're getting your crunch and your nut fix on half the calories, half the fat. So what I'm gonna do, and I don't like to mix it in with my mix. I like to sprinkle it on top, because when you sprinkle it on top, you get a little bit of nut crunch with every bite, but you don't have to use as much. Okay.
Like blueberries and lemon.
Yeah. So we're gonna bake this, and we'll be right back.
But they're raisins.
No, they're blueberries. Alrighty, guys, we're back. This is the blueberry nut crunch, the lemon blueberry nut crunch, and it's so good, guys. Now, I put this in the oven, and I had other things in the oven, but this one took about 45 minutes in the oven. You're just gonna have to do the toothpick test, okay? You can tell when it's cooked. See how moist and delicious it is, guys? You see that? It's like cooked perfectly, and it's nice and crispy on top. And again, guys, without the crunchy stuff here, minus the crunch, but this one piece of cake is 1 serving. I cut it in 12 pieces because I did 3 cups here. 1 serving is 148 calories, 16 grams protein, 3 net carbs, and 4 grams fat. Now there's a little bit more now because of all the nuts that I put on here from the granola. But it doesn't get healthier than this, guys. You can eat this all day long and lose weight. So thank you so much for watching. Visit us at healthytreatsmarket.com for more recipes and to place an order. And if you do live nearby, come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5.